from a fly. Hey, ready? Go behind us. I'll go behind us. They already heard us anyway, so that's screwed now. Aldo! Aldo! Do it! Do it!
Waldo! Where's Waldo?
I'm a birdie.
Why can't he fly?
That's not fair.
Whee!
You suck. I'm wearing a skirt.
Allie, why are you down there?
I'm wearing a skirt.
I'm up here, and you're down there.
I'm wearing a skirt.
I don't like this. I'm a bird, and you're a penguin.
You're calling me fat.
No, it's because you're on the ground, because penguins can't fly.
A penguin's still a bird.
But it can't fly.
You never said
I'm
that.
flying like a birdie.
You just said
And she's down on the ground like a
We're
penguin.
almost at the
a
same
penguin's
height.
still a
Calm
bird.
Oh, now he's gonna walk behind us?
I'm not jumping for. I'm not jumping for it. You're still a penguin, and I'm still a bird. Alejandro, you're not trying.
Yeah. No, I'm not.
Okay, ready?
All
Let's
right.
jump.
Ready? I don't want to jump.
Woo!
1, 2, 3.
I think it got in my pants, dude.
You got a little something. You have some on your boob.